Wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see right through my eyes. Don't repress yourself. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your phone on me. It's human nature. You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't express yourself. Don't repress yourself. You took my words and made a track for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about you. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your thumb on me. It's human nature. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. 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 Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex. Must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about you. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your thumb on me. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not apologizing. It's human nature. Would it sound better if I were a man? And I'm not sorry. You're the one with the problem. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your on me. Why don't you just deal with it? 'Cause I'm not sorry. Would you like me better if I was? It's human nature. You feel the same way. And I'm not sorry. I have no regrets. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your thumb on me. Absolutely no regrets. know a good talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know a good talk about you. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your thing on me. It's human nature. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. 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 And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your thing on me. It's human nature. I have regrets. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your thing. Absolutely no regret.